What if I told you there's a video editing tool that combines Hollywood-level power with the simplicity of a smartphone app, and it's NOT Adobe Premiere Pro? Welcome to the world of PowerDirector 365, the most underrated video editing software legend. In this video, I will highlight its features that might just blow your mind, and a few quirks that'll make you question everything. PowerDirector 365 is CyberLink's subscription-based editing suite, designed for creators who want professional-grade tools without the professional-grade headaches. Think Premiere Pro vibes, but lighter, faster, and most importantly, minus the money-milking subscription. User interface and ease of use. Let's get up close and personal with it, and wow, it has a clean and intuitive layout. Timeline editing is snappy. Media organization is a breeze. And beginners? You're not left behind. There's even storyboard mode. Oh, and did I mention? PowerDirector has a fully featured mobile app. You can start editing on your phone and finish on your desktop. On a plane, at the beach, at your cousin's wedding. Go nuts. AI features. Let's show some AI love. This is where things get spicy. PowerDirector 365 is loaded with AI. You've got motion tracking, object detection, and even background removal without a green screen. And the killer feature? It even includes AI-generated soundtracks that match your video mood in real time. No license hunting, no copyright strikes. Take that, Filmora. And check this out. This AI can even stylize your footage like Van Gogh or anime. That's not a filter. That's frame-by-frame transformation. It's like having an art department in your laptop. Key tools for creators. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikToker, or aspiring filmmaker, PowerDirector's toolkit is stacked. Dynamic keyframes, multicam editing, LUTs, transitions, templates, the works. How about multicam editing? All under control. I'm watching you CapCut. Stock media assets. Here's the secret weapon, PowerDirector's stock library. Around 9 million royalty-free assets. That's right, 9 million. Whoa. It has all your favorite social media stickers and title animations library, as well as separate music, videos, and images libraries with millions of assets to choose from. Performance and workflow. Speed matters. Rendering in PowerDirector is buttery smooth, and if you got a half-decent GPU, you're flying through 4K edits like it's 1080p. And get this, PowerDirector supports screen recording, webcam overlay, and live streaming. Yes, it's also your content hub. What costs? Here's the wallet check. It's $69.99 per year. That's about $6 a month for all of this. And no hidden fees, just updates every few weeks. Where it falls short, it's not perfect. Some advanced color grading features are limited compared to DaVinci Resolve. And if you're a hardcore effects junkie, After Effects still wins. But hold on. PowerDirector has plugins that add 3D titles, particle effects, and motion graphics. So even the flaws come with workarounds. Who is it for? It's ideal for content creators, educators, marketers, vloggers, and even filmmakers on a budget. It's fast, friendly, and flexible. And yes, some indie films and production houses actually use PowerDirector for their edits. It's more powerful than you think. Final verdict and rating. Here's the deal. PowerDirector 365 is a beast in disguise. It's not just an alternative. It's a legit main editor for creators who want pro results without pro overheads. If you're ready to level up your content without emptying your wallet, PowerDirector 365 is absolutely worth trying. Go check it out. Link in the description below. And hey, if you like my video, consider subscribing and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.